What's going on, guys? Carson Youngblood with Youngblood Racing. Today we are at Cordele Motor Speedway. This intro looks a little bit different because I didn't have time at the racetrack because we were changing the gear. We got up early that morning and headed to the racetrack because we had raced Anderson the previous night, so we had to change the gear when we got to the racetrack. So here's a little video of that. Hope you enjoy this. Hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, thank you guys for being here.
Good shot there. Staging for our Legends, Pro, Semi-Pro, and Masters. Look at 6 laps, group qualifying. Again, group qualifying. Long-time racer Bill Clemens Jr. Got the Cornman brothers. Said Noah Cornman put out one heck of a show at dual Legend races 2 weeks ago here at Cordele Motor Speedway. He was up front both races and put out one heck of a battle. See what the Cornman brothers will do tonight. And this is the first time Noah and Sam have raced together since 2021. How about that? The two brothers made a name in the world in the Legends racing. First time two brothers since 2021 behind the wheel together. We'll see how well they shake it down later on tonight. But right now, Scott Mosley going to go to P1 in lap 1. Turns an 18.651. Pretty good lap for Scott Mosley. Wasting no time. Noah Cornman going to move up into the second position. He's going to bring Carson Youngblood right with him. Now Sam Cornman goes to P1. So brothers Sam and Noah 1-2. Can they make it work? Little family rivalry between the two Cornman brothers. Sam in the 07, Noah in the 77. Very good. Not only driving these cars, they know how to work on them, build them, they do it all. And Sam just turned quick time with his 18.546. So we'll see the white flag next time by. It's Noah Cornman, Sam Cornman, Carson Youngblood, Scott Mosley, and Emma Britt in the top 5. Lee going to show them the white flag this time by. Mini stocks, the staging. How about that? The Cornman brothers 1-2. Will it work for them? Youngblood, Mosley, and Emma Britt, your top 5. Jared Howie now 6th. show them. And the Cornman brothers go 1-2 with Sam making a start here at Cordele. Will pick up the top spot. Brother Noah second. Boy, that'll be interesting. Carson Youngblood will be third. Fourth, it'll be Scott Mosley. Fifth, it'll be Emma Brett. Jared Howley sixth. Griffiths will be seventh. Bill Clemens Jr. eighth. And ninth, it'll be Brent Rogers.
Alrighty, we just wrapped up qualifying. We ended up P3 in qualifying, so pretty good. Me and my teammates qualified 1, 2, 3, so pretty good. We were all super close together, so I'm excited. Should be good. Good race. It looks like there might be a little bit of weather coming. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully we get the race in. Alrighty, a little update. It rained. It rained a lot. So now they're out there drying the track right now, and hopefully we'll get going soon. It's going to be another long night at the racetrack, which I'm not complaining. Guess I'd rather have a long night at the racetrack than anywhere else, but some lightning over there. We're going to stick it out. Hopefully it doesn't change the track too much, and we still have a good race, so I'm excited.
Get set to go for your legends. So the Cornman brothers are going to bring them out and row number 1. Noah Cornman, a winner here 2 weeks ago, going to be racing with his brother Sam. Sam in the 07 in the front row. Noah in the 77. I had a chance to talk to Noah. He said it's been since 2021 since we've been on the track together. We're going to do it here tonight on the front row for the Cornman brothers. Carson Youngblood inside row 2 in the 16. Emma Brett, good to see Emma out here tonight in the 08. Good little Legends driver. In row 3, it'll be the 17, Braden Griffiths. Jared Howley in the number 0, going to roll off outside row 3. Row 4 on the inside, it'll be the 94, Brent Rogers. Outside it'll be Scott Mosley, the 22. And the longtime veteran in the number 15, it'll be Bill Clemens Jr. starting inside of 5. 20-lap feature for the Legends, Pro, Semi-Pro, Masters. How about that? The Cornman brothers haven't raced together since 2021. Got a big night for them. Noah put on a heck of a show 2 weeks ago here on the 4th of July. Came up just a little bit short. So we're looking to go green. 20 laps, Legends. Green is out. We're underway. Jared Howley going to pick up a little ground there. Going to stay in the inside. He'll hold on the 4th. So he picks up 1, 2 positions already for Jared Howley. Spot. He'll move up to 3rd. So Florida driver Jared Howley, longtime racer in the Legends, goes into that 3rd spot. He's going to be challenged on the entry to turn number 3. That'll be Scott Mosley. in third, fourth, and fifth. Good battle there. Jared Howley, Scott Mosley, and Carson Youngblood. See those working off turn at number 4. You see that on the left side of the screen here at Cordele Motor Speedway. Traffic's starting to stretch out. Nice little exchange for position there coming off turn number 4. To go. They're knocking them out quick. Pro Late Model drivers need you in your cars. You're ready to go. Next, Pro Late Models. Great shot at your leader, Sam Corman, the 07. These brothers know how to drive, they know how to work on them, and that's pretty much what they do full-time, work on these legend cars. Great speed shot here on RacingAmerica.tv. There's a good look at your leader. Right now, Sid 1.2 seconds ahead of his brother Noah. Sam's laying out some pretty good lap times right now, 18.608. That is his best lap time, so he's definitely getting going here. Cordele Motor Speedway. So this will be halfway this time by. 10 down, 10 to go. In running order, Sam Corman's led every single lap so far. Noah running second. Jared Howley third. Carson Youngblood running fourth. Emma Britt top 5, fifth right now. Brent Rogers sixth. Ray Griffin's running seventh. Bill Clemens Jr. 8th. 9th. That'll be Scott Mosley, who's in the pits. Sam Corman. Once again, I need your attention in the pits. Pro Late Model drivers, we need you in your cars. You are next. 8 laps to go. Well, what a great run going for Sam Corman. Continue to open up that lead. He's about 1.8 seconds ahead of his brother. Solid run going for Jared Howley. Sits back 3.1 seconds behind your leader. And there is a great shot at your leader right now, working in turns 3 and 4. Talking about Sam Corman. Play top 5 pretty well stretched out. I put it in that 6 spot, Brent Rogers. So 5 to go. This time by it'd be 5 laps remaining. 5 to go for Sam Corman. Started on the pole. He's led every single lap. Once again, Pro Late Model drivers need you in your cars. Ready to go. It'll be Pro Late Model drivers in your cars. So final 4 laps to go. Just breaking away with it. Sam Corman. Flying solo, nobody around him. Right now sitting at a 2.7 second advantage with 3 laps to go. This time by 3 to go. So traffic really stretched out now. Nice little run into that 4 spot. And that's Carson Youngblood with Jared Howley just ahead of him. Howley in the 0, Youngblood. Down as they head into turn number 2. Good little battle there. Couple of very good legend drivers working off turn 2. Youngblood in the 16. Jared Howley in the 0. 3rd and 4th. White flag out. 1 to go for Sam Corman. Runaway freight train. Checked out early and looking to seal the deal. And Sam Corman will go wire to wire here at Cordele Motor Speedway. As he works around for the final time. And there it is, checker flag for Sam. Great run for the Cornmans, 1-2 with Noah second. Jared Howley top 3, finishing 3rd. Carson Youngblood 4th. Emma Britt 5th. 6th, that'll be Brent Rogers. Braden Griffiths, 7th. 8th, that'll be Bill Clemens Jr. And Scott Mosley going to round it out in the 9th spot. So great job by the Cornman family again. And I'll tell you, Noah Cornman, that's a second place finish in 2 weeks for Noah. But again, great to see the brothers running together. And congratulations to Sam Cornman.
Good job, buddy.
What do you think about that?
How'd you get him over there?
He went low.
Yeah.
He ran the middle of the track.
Yeah.
I just sent it on the high side.
I know it looked good.
Why not so soon after a win?
Yes, sir.
I ran the second group. Carson. I see you made that very interesting, son.
You like that?
Nice job.
You like that?
It's like I'll play Carson.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I'll play Carson.
Well, I figured I didn't want to go through a bumper yet.
That was a very good move.
And the truck is way on the bottom, so I knew if I could get to the outside, I could get it.
Yeah. All right, go get your picture made. I'll go.
Alrighty, tech is over. We finished P3. We get to go to Victory Lane, get a team pick. It'll be pretty cool.
Guys ready? Hold that watermelon up.